Okay, guys, got the mics, e-bikes, and I'm with my friend.
I'm here too.
Huh?
I was just talking to the camera. I got candy in my mouth.
I started recording when the garage closed. Well, as soon as I got here. Well, as soon as I got here, I started recording. Okay, so we got the mics out, recording. He's just being a show off right now. Nah, it's just fun building. Okay, well, that's you.
It's so windy.
Yeah.
Can you see like the mic?
Oh my. Oh shoot. Go.
There's a huge dump truck behind us. I can't wait if that's not broke. And it's just barely raining, but I think so it's not as dusty as it usually is right now. And this burn right here, it just sucks. Because it goes from turn to straight, and then to turn again. And then straight, well, not kind of straight, and then to another burn.
Just so you guys know, this is property, so we're not on private. Well, it is private property, but it is private property. It's private property, but it's my grandpa's, so you have to repair. Back up into my controller. That's literally like the worst part about this track. And the fact that it's super dusty. Me and my friend did this.
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's go. It's like not very like smoothed out up here yet. But we're working on it. We ride it quite a bit. And so I've been looking at fast bikes recently, and I saw this super nice 85 2021, and it's actually like completely blacked out, and I love the fact that it's blacked out. So, and it's super nice tailgater bars though. Hey! I don't know if you might throw it. Oh, it's a golf ball. It's probably from these people right here. It's Toffee Elite golf ball though. I'm gonna put it in my little hoodie pocket. But it's like crazy slip out hard up here. Oh, man down. Oh, it's okay. Got it. Oh shoot. This hill's so steep. What'd you do? Right that rock down there. My front end turned and I just flew off the. That's nice. You wanna go ride some roads? Because I'm unstuck. Okay. Fair. Huh?
We should get little cameras to go like right here on their helmets.
Yeah. I got a camera that mounts like right here. Something.
Can you get this off?
Probably. But I'm probably gonna tip it out of the way. Well, actually, this light is light.
Oh, shit. Oh, it's rough.
I'll probably go ride somewhere else. Oh.
I'm on 79.
Huh?
I'm on 79.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Where do you want to go?
Down to the ditch jumps. If it's not filled with water.
Okay. Oh. Penny gum there. Okay. Hopefully there's no cops because I don't want to get in trouble. You know what? Cops, so. Yeah, that's good. Oh!
What?
Wow, that was crazy good.
I'm about to scrape.
Oh. Oh, dang.
It's like filled.
Huh?
Let's go ride at the hills at Conoco.
We're filled?
What?
What do you mean filled?
The hills at Conoco.
Oh. Oh no. That's pretty slushy, Dusty.
And I was looking. got you. Whoa. Whoa. Hi, Papa Willie. Started slipping, really. I cannot really right now. He can't hear me unless we're up close. Weird. We only have mics on, not like Aaron. Oh, shit. My front head. Oh, he's really Good idea. Bro, if you guys saw that, saw the copper, do a thumbs up in the comments. Like, you don't have to, but I'd appreciate it. Where'd he go? Oh, he's probably right here. I can hear him. He's howling. Oh, he really. Oh, shoot. Oh, I haven't rode here in a bit. Wonder how that. I'm happy that it rained not too long ago, because it's usually dusty here. It got changed a lot here. Since I was last year on here. I haven't rode this for like 2 days because my brother popped my tube. I'm usually full sending that, but I don't know if you see that, but there's like a rut on it. Do you see the rut on this? Yeah. Who did that? Me. I'll fix it real fast. Stop! Stop! I destroyed this. He fell. Oh! Ah. If you would have been close, I could have just turned that way. Whoa! Are you like an NPC in GTA? Can't get over anything? Stop! Move that big rock right there too. Top part. Oh, I did it. And I only fell 3 times. Go. No, wow! Don't leave the foot on it! My brakes went out. Yeah. He said that the brakes went out.
Oh shoot!
Let's go.
Alright, let's end the video, and that will be part 1. And then we'll do part 2. Plus, I kind of want to watch that jump that I just did. Just kidding. Just post it.
Okay, well, that's part 1 of this series. There's going to be 3 parts. And we're about to post part 2. So, like and subscribe, and see ya.